Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone, then navigate to the Amazon application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. We'll have to simply click on this U icon at the right of the home button. When you click on this icon, it will take you up to this page. On this page, you will see orders, customer services, account settings, and different options. After you click on this button, it will take you to this page. Here, click on Manage Membership button at the top. When you click on this button, it will show up this page. Here, you're going to click on the Manage Membership button, that is Update, Cancel and More link just right here. When you click on this link, it will take you to this page. Now, on this page, you'll have to simply choose End Membership button. You can also pause your membership, share your benefits through this page, but we are going to click on the End Membership button. When you click on End Membership, it will take you to this page. You can simply scroll down and click on Continue to Cancel. When you click on Continue to Cancel, it will take you to this page. Now on this page, simply choose Cancel on Renewal. After this, scroll down and click on End on this date. When you click on this End button that is in yellow color, it will instantly cancel your Amazon Prime membership. So that is a simple way through which you can cancel your Amazon Prime membership. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.